This is going to be part one of the rear brakes on a 2013 Ford Fusion for the editor. So welcome to YOUCANIC, where we're going to go over how you replace your rear brakes and rotors on a 2013 Ford Fusion. So on a Ford Fusion, or on this one, we have an electric park brake. The emergency brake is an electric brake, and so you need to put it into service mode, and there's a clip about how to do that. So you go through that process to put it in service mode, and then you can start doing what you need to do. Without it in service mode, you're not able to push this brake caliper piston back to be able to replace your brakes and your rotors. Okay, so to start with, let's just pop this thing off. Well, that wasn't supposed to be there. But you pop that clip off there. That way we should be able to, that's so we can remove the whole caliper away. And then with a 7mm Allen wrench, we can go right in this hole here, this rubber grommets back here, and loosen these. All right, those are pulled backwards. You should be able to slide this out, and now just set it up here for now. So with the brakes removed, so with the brakes removed, we can now go ahead and push this piston back, and we can do this because it's in the service mode. Use just a regular piston pusher and then push it back to allow for the space of the new brakes when we put them on, just like that. That's good. And then we'll take this, the carrier bracket off so that we can get the rotor off to be able to go through the process of replacing that. So we're going to set that over there. And these are a size 15 bolt. So with those removed, we can pull this apart, and then rotor's been removed. I'm going to get ahead and get a new one. Get that to be put back on. And I'm going to go ahead and clean this up here. with a wire brush and the carrier thing. So we've got the brakes on, or we've got the rotor on, we've got the brakes on. They're all lined up here. We've set the guide pins with the lubricant, and now we're just tightening them up. So tighten those guide pins up. And with those tight, then the last thing, we want to put this spring clip back on. Just like that. Then you would go ahead, put the tire on, put the car on the ground, torque it to spec, and you'd be good to go. And, well, not good to go. Last, you will want to put the brake, the e-brake, back into operating mode instead of service mode, and I'll do a clip on how you do that. So otherwise, thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.